Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're talking about 5 must-have essentials for creators and vloggers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your setup, these tools will help you produce high-quality content with ease. From gear to accessories, we'll cover the top picks that every creator needs to succeed. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to take your content creation game to the next level, let's get started. Number 1. Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera. The Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera is a sleek, feature-packed tool designed to cater to content creators and vloggers looking to elevate their storytelling. Compact, stylish, and performance-driven, this camera is an ideal choice for capturing high-quality visuals and audio. One of its standout features is the ultra-wide 20mm lens, perfect for fitting everything into the frame, even during handheld selfies. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or bustling cityscapes, this lens ensures no detail is left out. Coupled with a large 1-inch CMOS sensor and f2 aperture, the ZV-1F excels in low-light conditions and creates beautifully defocused backgrounds that enhance your subject's prominence. Staying in focus is effortless, thanks to IAF and autofocus tracking technology. Number 2. Samsung Pro Ultimate microSD Memory Card. The Samsung Pro Ultimate microSD memory card is a powerhouse for anyone seeking reliable, high-performance storage. With 256 GB capacity, this memory card is a versatile solution for gamers, content creators, and tech enthusiasts who demand fast, secure, and durable storage for their devices. The standout feature of the Pro Ultimate is its lightning-fast read and write speeds of up to 200 megabytes per second and 130 megabytes per second, respectively. Whether you're capturing stunning 4K UHD footage on a GoPro or transferring large files to your gaming console, the card ensures quick and seamless performance, leaving you more time to create and enjoy. Designed for extensive compatibility, the Pro Ultimate works effortlessly with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, drones, and action cameras. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or recording, this microSD card handles even the most demanding tasks with ease. Number 3. Rode Wireless Pro. The Rode Wireless Pro compact wireless microphone system sets a new standard for filmmakers and content creators seeking professional-grade audio. Compact, versatile, and packed with innovative features, this system ensures exceptional sound quality for any project. At its core is Rode Series 4 2.4 GHz digital transmission, equipped with 128-bit encryption for crystal clear and stable audio. With best-in-class range, you can confidently record in challenging environments without worrying about signal interference. One of the standout features is its 32-bit float onboard recording, offering over 40 hours of storage. Number 4. Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. The Bose Ultra Open Earbuds redefine the listening experience with their innovative open-ear design and rich audio performance. Perfect for runners, multitaskers, or anyone who wants to stay connected to their surroundings, these earbuds combine comfort, versatility, and Bose's signature sound quality. The open-ear design allows you to enjoy your music while remaining aware of the world around you. Thanks to open audio technology, the earbuds deliver high-quality, private sound without isolating you. Whether you're jogging on a busy street or working in a shared space, these earbuds keep you immersed in your music without cutting off external sounds. Bose Immersive Audio takes your listening experience to the next level with spatialized sound, making it feel like you're inside the music. The earbuds are designed to be incredibly comfortable, featuring a flexible joint and light-as-air grip that hooks gently around the back of your ear, ensuring a secure fit during any activity. The earbuds are built to withstand life surprises with IPX4 water resistance, so splashes and sweat are no problem. Number 5. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo is a content creator's dream tool, blending professional-grade features with unmatched portability. Whether you're vlogging, traveling, or capturing life's special moments, this pocket-sized dynamo delivers outstanding performance in every scenario. At the heart of the Osmo Pocket 3 is its 1-inch CMOS sensor, which records in breathtaking 4K resolution at 120 frames per second. This enables you to capture stunningly detailed footage, whether it's vibrant sunsets, dynamic action, or atmospheric night scenes. Framing shots is a breeze with the 2-inch rotating touchscreen, allowing seamless transitions between horizontal and vertical shooting. The interface is intuitive and perfect for creators who need to adapt quickly while filming on the go. Thanks for watching, And that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.